don't talk in this mic and I'll buy you whatever you want. What's your name?
Desmond Benjamin.
Now look at this little goofy end, bro. You probably think love is real. Shit, she probably getting passed around the whole colony, bro. It's not even worth it. Over here worried about some females. Boy, you need to worry about some food, bro. Real shit. I'm trying to tell you. I know you can hear me. I should really step on your...
Hey. Hey. Is she valid? Oh, she's black.